In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Rewards in Microsoft Edge, a simple process that can help you earn rewards while browsing. So let's dive right in and get started. First of all, let's open up Microsoft Edge. You can usually find this browser icon pinned to your taskbar or in your list of programs. Once Edge is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three small dots stacked vertically. These represent the menu button, a gateway to your browser settings, and more. Go ahead and click on these dots. Once you've clicked, a drop-down menu will appear before you. From here, you want to navigate towards the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new pane where you can customize your browsing experience further. Now, you might feel a bit overwhelmed with the various settings displayed, but don't worry, we're specifically heading to the Profiles section. This section can be found on the left-hand sidebar. Simply click on Profiles, and this will bring up a list of settings related to your user profile on Edge. Within the Profile settings, scroll down until you find the Microsoft Rewards option. This feature lets you earn rewards points just by using the Microsoft Edge browser, which you can later redeem for various perks. Once you've located the Microsoft Rewards option, click on it to explore your reward settings. Now, the crucial step is to ensure that you have Earn Microsoft Rewards in Microsoft Edge enabled. Right next to this option, you'll find a toggle switch. If it's currently grayed out, that means it's disabled. To enable it, simply click the switch so that it turns blue. This enables you to accumulate points as you continue to use Edge for your web browsing activities. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Microsoft Rewards in Microsoft Edge. By doing this, you're on your way to earning points for simple browsing tasks like searching the web or even completing offers and quizzes. Additionally, remember that you can check back periodically to monitor your points and find new ways to collect even more rewards. This feature not only enhances your browsing experience, but also offers a little something extra for using the Edge browser. I hope this guide was helpful in setting up Microsoft Rewards in Edge. It's an easy way to earn benefits from your everyday internet use, so don't forget to explore and take full advantage of the rewards platform. Thanks for watching.